Alright, so you guys might be wondering what kind of absurd video is this, but Sony actually registered trademarks for future PlayStation consoles. So Sony has taken a proactive approach to secure the future names for their PlayStation consoles by registering trademarks for PS6, PS7, PS8, PS9, PS10. That is like 5 different generation of consoles, and according to my calculation, every 7 years Sony release their consoles, right? So this is like straight up 40 years worth of PlayStation consoles, and this move ensures that no other entity can use their names for the gaming consoles. However, it does not mean that PlayStation 6 is going to be releasing soon. I think it will take like at least 4 more years from now. And Sony has a history of registering console names well in advance, because you guys know PS5 was released in 2020, right? Guess what? Sony registered the trademark for PS5 back in 2006. That is like 14 years before the release of PlayStation 5, and assuming a 7-year gap between the release of each console, as seen with the PlayStation 3, 4 and 5, PlayStation 6 may be expected in 2027. So that is up to Sony. I don't know what they're gonna be doing in like 4 years, but that's what we can assume. And the other news is really sad about Ubisoft. So you guys know the upcoming game by Ubisoft, that is the XDeviant. It is facing a delay after being denied certification from PlayStation and Xbox. That is bad for a game. According to Ubisoft developer, the developer sent the game for certification near the end of July, which would clarify the game's quality and make it eligible for the release on the PS5 and Xbox. However, Sony and Xbox gave the title a failing grade due to the various bugs and optimization issues, causing Ubisoft to delay the game until later this year. And another news is coming for the Marvel fans. It's not about Spider-Man 2, by the way. So Wolverine game is finally in production. So I think back in September 2021, Insomniac showed a trailer. I think it wasn't even a trailer, it was a teaser of a Wolverine game. It is finally now in development, and it might release later next year after the Spider-Man 2, like 6 months from Spider-Man 2. So anyway, this is the news for today, and I hope you guys find this video helpful, and I'm not quite sure why you would find this helpful, but still, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.